Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Dr. Boyce Watkins from the Black Business School, and I want to give you 5 quick reasons why I'm very bullish on crypto and Bitcoin. Now, before I begin that, I want to make sure you understand that this does not mean I believe that a person should put more than, say, 5 to 10% of their total portfolio into Bitcoin or Ethereum or crypto. But here are 5 things I've seen on the horizon that make Bitcoin and Ethereum especially look really good as investments. And in case you want to know my background, I was on the finance faculty at Syracuse University for 13 years. I've taught at the Ohio State University, University of Kentucky. I've taught in China. I've taught in Europe. I've taught around the world, stuff like that. So that's my background. I just want to make sure you know that I'm not just speculating here. There's some theory behind this. All right. So here are a few reasons. Here are 5 quick reasons why I'm investing pretty significantly in Bitcoin and Ethereum, and particularly some Cardano and some other things. Number one, Bitcoin and crypto in general has created a massive opportunity for inclusivity of third world countries. A lot of very poor countries that depend heavily on remittances, meaning people going to richer countries and sending money back, are finding that crypto is a great way to do that. El Salvador has really embraced crypto, and that's kind of a test case. And if that works out, you're going to see a lot of third world countries kind of copying El Salvador, because people tend to copy the people that are making money, right? If you try something and it works, everybody's watching, like, did it work? And then if it works, they're like, yes, I'm going to do the same thing. Number 2, NFTs. That NFT market is massive. I think it's going to be in the trillions within the next few years. NFTs are built on the Ethereum network. That's why my Ethereum, if you own it too, has been going up. I love Ethereum. 3, institutional involvement. As the money's being made, institutional investors, big mutual funds, pension funds, corporations, they tend to go where the money resides. So if they see that there's a lot of money being made in a certain space, then they're going to want to put their money there too. So I believe that as Bitcoin and Ethereum has been going up lately, at the making of this video, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the cryptos have been taking off like crazy. I think institutional investors are having some FOMO. They're going to want to jump in and get involved. When they get involved, 2 things will happen. 1, you'll see a flood of money coming toward a limited number of assets, which tends to push the price up. So the inflow of money can rise the value of an asset the same way water can rise the value of a boat. The second thing is that it creates what you would call social proof. When you hear Elon Musk bought more Ethereum, it pushes up the price of Ethereum. When you hear that, that Tim Cook at Apple decides that he wants to dig deeper into Bitcoin, well, guess what's going to happen to the price of Bitcoin? It becomes the cool kid in town. 4th, Bitcoin ETFs and futures. Bitcoin futures are being approved. Some believe sometime in the near future. The SEC, Securities and Exchange Commission, has been having conversations about it, and there's a lot of good sentiment on the horizon about that in terms of what that could mean for the price of Bitcoin. And then 5th, which actually relates to 4, is that the markets are just getting better. There's a concept in finance called an efficient market. An efficient market is a market that just operates in the right way. The information flows properly. The bad actors are not sort of taking advantage of everybody else. There's plenty of traders, plenty of liquidity. So the way to kind of think of an efficient market versus an inefficient market is to think about a nightclub, right? Maybe you go to one club that's kind of dirty and dusty and nasty, and there's only maybe 8 people in the club, and they're overcharging you, and bad things might happen. You might get robbed in the back alley, versus another club where there's thousands of people coming in. There's plenty of security. There's plenty of pretty girls, plenty of handsome dudes, and the prices are not way too high, and you're nice and safe, right? That second club is the club you want to go to. The first club, you stay away from that. Why? Well, because bad things might happen in that first club, right? Well, the same thing is true with a bad market. In a bad market, you got to be careful, because there are people that take advantage of others in those markets, and there's not as much regulation and not as much transparency, not as much protection there. So the SEC is basically saying that the crypto markets are looking better. They're looking cleaner. They're looking more stable and established, which is a whole nother conversation. Actually, we could do a whole video about that, because it kind of undermines the original reason that people wanted to create crypto in the first place. But we'll put that to the side for now. So the summary, the overall conclusion is that I believe that crypto is a good place to go. I think there's a lot of good money being made over there. I think it's going to continue to rise. And by the way, in the Black Business School, we have a Black Crypto Investing Club. So if you're interested, feel free to go take a look at the blackcryptoclub.com. I'm Dr. Boyce Watkins. Hit the thumbs up, share, subscribe button on your way out. I'll see you soon. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.